What's good? We're back. We've got a 180 in the shed. Ricky P's up the back, rolling sleeveless, which you'll have seen in another video by the time you see this. I got 180 as a hovercraft today. We've got no front guards, no bonnet. It's up in the air, doors are open. We got some shit happening here, huh? So I don't have an engine, well, not in the car. I also have no interior currently. My seats are wrapped up, living the good life. However, I do have a very sought after uncracked dash. So basically I need to swap my wiring loom into this car, which means I have to very delicately take out this uncracked dash and try not to cry and be careful. So I obviously started undoing this in a previous episode that you would have seen by now too, when I swapped the engine loom. But now I need to get this out and swap the body loom so that hopefully I have a chance of starting it when I get to that point, and then get the motor in. So I'm going to take the dash out and listen to Hot Mulligan, and then I'll come back when I've done both of those things and probably had a cry. So yeah, hang 10. Alrighty, so dash is out. There's no real horrible surprises. Part of why the dash come out and the body loom's being changed is because this ignorant little shit here is cut, and I'm very not impressed, but it is what it is. Welcome to S chassis life. So I need to swap this loom over and the body loom because I believe they're different, being that I found out this is a Japanese import Type X 180 shell, and that's really good. So this is obviously still kicked in, which is sick, but we're not going to worry about it for now. Yes, the loom's hanging. I tied it up. Don't at me. I don't need your shit today. Yes, I still need an engine. Got to deal with it. But for now, we're kind of there. The dash is still in a piece, which is phenomenal at this point. Yeah, this is still there. But yeah, so for now, for 5 seconds, I'm going to stop here and I will come back and pull some more out and swap some more over. We're back. We got Franco, and I've dismantled my parts boxes for one reason. Need me wiring loom. So this here should be an entire body loom for a normal 180SX, non-Type X variant. That now has to go in here, so I'm going to lay this out and figure out roughly how it goes first, because it all seems to run down the driver's side, standard. So it runs across the dash, runs across that bar, runs down here, connects in a fuse box I think, runs all the way down and goes to the back somewhere, over in there. I preemptively took all the plastics off, which you can't see because it's too dark. But yeah, so I'm going to pull this out and start laying it out and trying to figure it out, and then getting it ready to plug in. Alright, so dash loom is out. It looks naked, it's kind of weird. So all this stuff down here, all the main fuse box, which is this thing, all the relays and shit on it, that's out. Got to start pulling this section out, and then it goes across to the gearbox and the center console for like the ashtray and that sort of crap, and then it keeps going backwards. So I'm going to strip it back just past the door and keep going with this, and then we'll start putting the front part of the loom in.
Tag, you're it. Hang on.
Character change.
We're on the clock now. Fucking hair past the freckle. So Ricky's obviously just rolled up. I've plugged the engine loom through the hole. There's another engine loom side here. The old body loom's out. Franco's just abandoned ship. Probably forgotten his keys again. I've got the new body loom to go in, so I will probably do some magic and start putting that in. Seems stable.
That's not bad. Could be worse. Yeah, so we're making progress. The old body loom wasn't in too bad a condition, but there's definitely a lot more missing. Like, people have cut out the center looms for the center console. There's like pieces of loom missing here, there and everywhere, and like plugs missing. This has majority of the plugs on it. Just the actual fittings that go into the body are pretty average, I think.
But I know this loom was working because this came from the running car before Benito pulled it out. So I'll put this in, it should work. So with help from my boy Ricky P, it's probably a little bit hard to see, but we've hooked the loom up, stuck the taco back in it. We've hooked up the basic power loom, grounding loom, and we're just hoping to see any form of life at this point. No! No!
It's got a clock. Go on, give it a start.
Oh my... Dude, it lit up.
Dude,
it fucking lit up.
Yeah, give it a crank.
Did it? No! Yeah, dude! Interior lights and stuff.
Give it a pump. Yeah, turn your... Oh, you don't...
I can't currently find... We're going to come back. I'm going to try and find my indicator stalks. I have like 2 of them. Joel gave me one. I had one. I don't know where I've put them. I put them somewhere safe and now they're lost.
You're right here.
I'm going to find one. I'll be back. It doesn't go. It's different. Because, I don't know, S chassis things.
I feel like it's the same.
It's not. It's not got a 3-screw thing on it. I screwed it in. I unscrewed it yesterday. Don't fucking at me. Imagine this. I have windscreen wipers, but I have nothing else.
I mean...
Like, genuinely, it is a possibility at this point. Who knows? Spare plug city. I think we got majority of...
Oh, yeah, front.
No, it's a horn, you donut.
It is a horn. I am a donut.
Yeah. Well, oh, me clock's registering time.
Turn your headlights. No indicators. Hey! Whoa!
No!
Whoa!
Way!
Whoa!
No! They worked!
Give him a flip.
I don't know how to do that. Okay, so it's not doing anything.
I think we got...
Shit. Alright, so we put more parts on because obviously it's a disassembled vehicle. That's just what you do. I'm a little bit excited, alright? So give me some stress.
Oh,
Get
dude,
in.
the dimmer came on. Yeah. Oh, look, your high beams on.
Oh, dude, we got. And did it work?
I'm gonna hit her at the back.
Dude, no.
Yeah, mate. She's
This is
working.
great.
This is great.
Oh, and it's working.
Told you, that's the switch.
Go get it. Go around.
Right.
Oh, got to do the clip.
All right.
We got to do the clip.
All right, go on. Whoa.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, man. This is so good.
Whoever tells you not to buy a crap old Japanese car in about 9,000 pieces, tell them they're wrong. Tell them they're lying. I am having the best time. No doubt in 4 videos time you'll be like, I hate this is the worst. But right now, this is the best thing ever. I couldn't... Oh, does the brake light work? Oh,
Look at
this
that.
is the best. I'm having a great time.
Boy, does the reverse light work?
Yeah, I'll just hook up my imaginary box, jerk.
Yeah, look at the gearbox.
Oh, yo, that is actually probably what this is.
Mm-hmm.
Uh-huh.
So if you got a spare wire around, just do a jump, and then we'll be able to see the reversies come on.
Nah, screw it, I can't bother.
That's fair.
You know,
That's enough excitement, I reckon,
no,
anyway.
it's not. It's really not.
Oh, scratchy.
I didn't think it would.
Oh, that scratches differently.
Oh,
That's
this is
amazing.
this is the best. This, honestly, hands down, I am pumped. I haven't seen this car do anything ever, and the last time... For the next video, I will find out the last time this car ran. I will ask Benito and we'll go through both of our phone memories and find out. Because the last time this engine ran in a car was like...
Give him a quick.
Must be 2018. Yeah. We're not going to show you too much yet. Don't want to ruin the content, you know?
Yeah, just
Oh,
yeah.
what happens if you push the button now? Nothing.
nothing. You'd have to turn off the.
Oh, this is... Dude,
Actually, keep it pressed in. Keep it pressed in, and then turn off the lights and see if it. They stay up.
you see the button out there.
Yeah. So it's just
I
functions
gotta see
with
this,
button.
dude.
Yeah, dude. Have a walk around.
Dude, this is sick. I'm so excited. I don't even know why. Like, this is the only feature I'm ever going to need. Honestly,
hazards.
90s Nissan, that's all you need. As long as these things work, you can do this anywhere.
It's true. If you're broken down on the side of the road, which most 90s Nissans are, it's a handy
Like,
feature.
this could be me getting my spare tyre on Green Hill Road. Like main road Blackwood.
Could be you making your bed in the back of the car so you can have a nap while you wait for the RAA to come pick your car up.
This could be me in a grainy Japanese 90s photo.
Guardrail. Oh no, please.
Oh,
Nah,
I think I would cry.
Yeah, she's too
Cry.
expensive for that now.
Someone is sitting at home right now and they're just like, cry, it's an absolute piece of shit. And you're probably right. Like, granted, you've done me. But too bad, I'm going to just keep spending money on it because I'm an idiot. But this is the only feature you need. It's got a headlight.
Yeah, let's go around.
Like, dude, all I ever wanted in life is to see this thing with at least a headlight. And now, this is the dream. This is it. Honestly, this is basically how they came from the factory without guards.
It's the Ford Probe or...
Basically. Welcome to MX-5 ownership. One globe from factory, nothing else needed. Hazard lights permanently on, and staggeringly low performance.
Such a beautiful slide though.
I'm stoked, but you're right. This is enough excitement for one video. It's probably dragged on by now. I don't care. If you watched all 15 minutes of me being stoked about this, you're the best. We could be friends. But in the meantime, like, comment, subscribe.
Have a good night.